Good morning. So, it is Monday, April 6th. I hope everyone had an awesome weekend and people got some, maybe some cards and pictures sent out last week. If not, you can do them this week if you have time. We are starting a new packet. Today's schedule, we've got 3 reading literacy jobs today. Then we'll do our read aloud, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be on lesson 35 today in math, but 4 math jobs. And then I'm going to post a PE activity that you guys can do, because we would normally have PE today because it's a Monday. If you have something else you want to do for PE, maybe the weather's nice enough you can go outside today. Who knows? But you can go do something to get some energy out, and remember to keep listening to your families and doing what they ask you to do, and be super helpful and clean up after yourselves, because that is always super helpful. Yeah, let's get started. Hey guys. So we are on a new packet this week, April 6th to the 10th. It is our last week before spring break, so that's exciting. Hopefully everyone gets to do something sort of fun over spring break. I know we're all trapped in our houses and can't really go do anything uber exciting, but maybe the weather will be nice and at least let us get outside. That would be very nice right now. So we start a new story this week, The Easter Bunny's Assistant. It's a cute little story about a bunny and a skunk, the Easter Bunny and a skunk. And so your first job this week is a prediction, just like last week. So you're going to want to watch the video until 2 minutes and 30 seconds and then stop the video, because your first job on page 1 is a prediction. So stop at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I think the video will be down below this link. It says, readers make predictions as they read. Do you think the Easter Bunny will let Skunk be his assistant and help him? Tell me why or why not. So yes, because, or no, because, and tell me why. And then you'll finish the story and see what happens. And then write what happens down here. This is what happened. And then circle the thumbs up if your prediction was correct, or the gift if it was a surprise, if you got it incorrect and he surprised you. Okay, so that is job number 1. All right, so let's take a look at job number 2 on page number 2. It is the sentence decoding. Easter Bunny wasn't happy with Skunk, and I forgot to write what you needed to do down here, so we're actually going to do this one together. Okay, so Easter Bunny wasn't happy with Skunk. So first thing we're going to look for is proper nouns. Now, first of all, who can remember what a noun is? A person, place, or a thing. Awesome. Now, what's a proper noun? You're so proper. Like the king and the queen. Proper noun. Good. It's the name of a specific person, place, or thing. So instead of saying city, you would say Raymond or Seattle. Instead of saying that dog, you would say Chewy, or maybe that's the dog's name. Instead of saying we went to the park, we went to 8th Street Park. It's the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, so looking at my sentence, Easter bunny wasn't happy with skunk. What are my proper nouns? And I'm going to circle them in purple. Sorry, I should have told you this. I apologize. You will need a purple, a yellow, and a pink. So pause the video and get those if you don't have them. Purple, yellow, pink. Proper noun is going to be purple. Okay. What are my proper nouns? My names of specific people, places, or things. Good. Easter bunny, right? So I'm going to go ahead and circle the whole Easter bunny in purple. Easter bunny wasn't happy with skunk. Do you see any other proper nouns? Skunk. Hey, look at you, paying attention. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So, Easter bunny in purple, skunk in purple. Okay? Easter bunny wasn't happy with skunk. Okay? Now I'm looking for contractions. Who remembers what a contraction is? It's one of our new ones. We've been doing compound words where you take two words like basket and ball and put them together and get basketball, or butter and fly and put it together and get butterfly. That's compound words. Okay? Then there's contractions. It also involves putting words together, but it's a little different. Does anyone remember? Yes. So it's where you take two words and you put them together. The first word stays the same. And the second word, we take some letters out and put an apostrophe in their place. So let's look. A big clue with contractions is that apostrophe. Okay? We're going to circle them in pink this time. Contractions are going to be pink. Does anyone see my contraction? Easter bunny wasn't happy with skunk. Do we see the contraction? Wasn't. Now, what two words make the contraction wasn't? Great job. Was not. Was not. Wasn't. That is awesome. Okay, now I'm looking for my adjectives. Now, we haven't done adjectives in a while. Does anyone remember what an adjective is? It's a word that describes things. So, the sun was bright. Bright would describe the sun. The happy bunny. Happy would describe bunny. The cute little kid. Cute and little would both be adjectives describing the kid. That girl is very funny. Funny would describe the girl. So those are adjectives. My adjectives are going to be circled in yellow this time. So what are my adjectives, or do you see any adjectives in the Easter bunny wasn't happy with skunk? There's only two words, happy and with, that we haven't already categorized. Happy. Good job. So happy describes Easter bunny. Technically wasn't happy describes the Easter bunny, but good. All right. Now you're going to take the same yellow and you're going to color in our first capital letter for the start of our sentence and our period for the end of the sentence. So I'm going to color in the E on Easter bunny and the period after skunk. Does everybody see that? So Easter bunny, proper noun, wasn't contraction, happy is an adjective, skunk, proper noun. Pretty awesome, huh? So now I want you to count how many words are in our sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that wasn't counts as one word. Even though it's two words put together, it only counts as one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 words. So go ahead and write 6 words right there somewhere. Okay, and that will be your job for page 2. Page 3, you are going to circle and sort. You know how to do this. Our sounds are like scratch, screen, scrub, scrape. Okay, those are screw words. And spring, sprinkle, sprout, sprung, sprint. Okay, so those are all words. So you're gonna choose your 2 colors, which ones are gonna be which, circle, sort them down below. You guys know how to do that. I think that's it for literacy work today. Yep. Tomorrow we'll do cause and effect. That's new to us. So we're going to learn about cause and effect tomorrow. Okay, so I will see you guys at Junie B. Great work today.